Basically, as an analyzer specialist, I have four cornerstones that I depend on. It's the procedures, it's the standards, it's the manpower, and it's the hardware. Swagelok is at the very heart of the hardware. They are absolutely critical in each and every instrument we have.
They trust us. They trust us to come on site to say, we need a little help. Can you come put your eyes on this? Can we get your insight? Can we partner on this? Our team here has put together a complete package, not only components, but services, training, everything under the sun. And then having all the different groups from INEOS participate, it's like two great teams just coming together and executing. It's a winning team.
Over the years, Buster and I have developed such a trust with each other that he understands what I need as I need it. Once we have a meeting and we get that idea across of what I'm looking for, I can go ahead and cut him loose, and I'm back to my regular job. They take care of that part of the process for me so that we can go on and we can take care of the plant's daily needs and still get projects done.
We start with a long-standing history of trust, and then we just start to build on it transaction by transaction, interaction by interaction. And over time, we end up in a situation like we have here today at INEOS where they're really trusting us with their complete fluid system solutions.
The reliability of Swagelok allows us to trust the process that is flowing through these tubes that we have. So we have chemicals that obviously we don't want escaping into the atmosphere. So we had a lot of large valves, actuated valves, so anywhere from 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch even, all the way up to 2.5 inch ball valves. And Swagelok was able to fit those needs across the gamut.
The way that we work with INEOS with our technical expertise is really doing a deep dive into what kinds of parts actually are gonna work the best and not just selecting a replacement for what's there. We walk the system all the way from the tap to the analyzer, and we can see what parts of the system are actually causing issues that they're having or need to be adjusted so that they can make changes to the overall purpose of the system.
We work with Swagelok to implement a training program for our contractors and for our maintenance team to ensure that we have high quality workmanship. When we do installations in our tubing, we do it right the first time. Our personnel are actually aware of how to install the tubing, whether that be operations or maintenance or any contractors, and that resulted in less frequent failures. We work with Swagelok's engineering services to fabricate our seal panels that we use for our tandem seal setups for our hydrocarbon pumps. They're able to provide CAD drawings, also fabrication and quality controls and checks, and we were able to sign off and make sure that it met our customized needs. Since then, we've had no issues with our panels. They've been clear and easy to read, and operators can understand how to operate them. Working with Swagelok's engineering services, it allows us to focus on other things, provide a turnkey package, and a peace of mind.
What I enjoy most about the relationship is the collaborative environment that's created and free flow of information that allows us to not just look at the challenges the same way, but really figure out what's the best solution, no matter if it's something that we haven't done before. Can we implement something in a better way? The solution might look different than what it did before.